What are you digging there? What is that? And why are you just eating dirt? Can we not eat dirt? What's going on over on this side? What are you doing? Oh, you're doing your slow motion? Alright. Well, see, my dogs are real special. And, this is Rascal. He does a good job. And this is Girl Dog. And it's so funny because she literally goes in like slow-mo. It's because there's live bunnies underneath this old shed out back. I had to put up a little gate there so that the doggies in the neighborhood didn't get my bunnies. Jeez, I wish I could just take it that slow. And then there's you. Hi. Hi, good boy. Hi, good boy. What are you doing?